In this video, we're going to be making a wishing well out of scrap wood. This build is perfect as a septic tank cover, a drilled well cover, and even a real well cover. Whether you're looking to build one of these for yourself or as a summer side hustle, I'm going to leave all my design blueprints at the end of the video. Okay, so this is the finished product. So if you want to see more videos like this, then please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. I am really grateful for all the support I've been getting. I'm always looking for new project ideas, so let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in the future, and as promised, here's a quick breakdown of all my measurements and blueprints. Okay, so let's get into the nitty gritty. We'll do this pretty quick. So these boards here, they're deck boards, 5.5 inches by 24 inches long, so 2 foot. These are 2x4s. What I did is I made it so that 8-foot 2x4 could be cut in half, and then little bits cut off the end, so it's going to be 40.5 inches by 3.5 inches. These boards here, these are deck boards again, but these are going to be 3 foot long by 5.5 inches, and they're 1/2 inch thick. These here are actually 2x4s that are cut down the middle. They're cut in half, just so I can get more wood out of them. So they're going to be 23.5 inches long, and they're going to have 30-degree angles cut into them. This is also a 2x4 that's been cut in half. The angle, 60-degree angle, 21 inches long. So this is actually those deck boards that are cut in half, so I could get more wood out of them. 120-degree angle, 14.5 inches long, 1/2 inch thick. This is actually a 2x4 that's cut in half. I believe these angles here are going to be 120 degrees, 14.5 inches long, and they're going to be 1.5 inches thick. This is that 8-foot I was talking about. The 2x4s, you cut them in half, and then you got these little offcuts on each side. Going to be 7.5 inches. So you're going to have 2 of these, 2 of the 40.5 inches, and that's going to give you your 8-foot 2x4. These just the supports. I didn't do it exactly like this in the video. 8 inches long, 1/2 inch thick. And that's just a quick view of the underside assembly of the roof. Okay, so there you have it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, and I'm sure myself or someone else will answer it for you. Take care.